Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Guys, welcome to another episode of Straight TV, baby. How are you? What is happening? Bitcoin hitting 30K, man. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, 30K Bitcoin. Fantastic. Now it looks like Bitcoin our way to 100K Bitcoin. It looks like it's opening up. Yes. I mentioned yesterday in yesterday's live that if we are able to cross this and we do not go down to 24, 25, then I can see Bitcoin going to $100,000. And it seems like that's where we are heading to. So I think the next stop would be between $31,000 to $32,000. And it's possible we might, for a few days, waste some time there between $31,000, $32,000 and then head towards our journey to 40K. 40K is the next stop between $40,000 to $41,000. This is where I think Bitcoin is going. You know, before we head to 55, we might have a stopover around $40,000. So next stop that I'm looking for Bitcoin is somewhere around $31,000, $32,000. So I still think there is room for Bitcoin to go without any stop between, I would say, 5 to 7%. Yeah, between 5 to 7.5%. So I would say between $31,000 to $32,000, and you know, go there, and once we hit that, you know, a little bit of consolidation right there before we start going up. So it'll be minuscule dips like this, you know, like the way we dipped here. We could do something similar right there, but not for as long. We did, you know, for a few days. We were quite a few days here, but this one will be shorter than that before we go for $40,000. But that's what's happening with the markets, guys. How are you? What is happening, man? Paresh Tumar. Good morning, bye. Good morning, brother. How are you? Hello again. Good morning, guys, when the stream starts. So looks like people from India, it's a good morning there. It's 9 o'clock, so it's pretty early if you're in India. It should be somewhere around 5, 6 o'clock, I think. Okay, let's see if Bitcoin's pumping. What else is pumping with it? Render tokens pumping. Jasmy. We just talked about Jasmy yesterday. Filecoin. Okay. Jupiter. I'm trying to see something that we are familiar with, or we did yesterday. Yesterday we did Jasmy in our live. Let's look at Jasmy. Yeah, man, not bad. Not bad for a day. Look at that candle. Jasmy fans, are you excited? So from the bottom, this is where we call the bottom. Right here, we call the bottom. And from the bottom, we pumped 200%. Went down, now the next leg up. I would say Jasmy would be going to 0.02. I think the next pump where it would land, Jasmy, about between 250 to 270%, 0.02. That would be the level that I think Jasmy is going to. Amazing. 30K Bitcoin, man. It touched briefly. I was looking at it. I couldn't believe my eyes. I was like, wow. Bitcoin hit 30K. Look at that. Yeah, it briefly hit 30K. So I do think, $32,000. That's where we are going right now, and we'll consolidate a little bit once we hit that part. 32. I don't think it's gonna rest until we hit 30, 31, $32,000 Bitcoin, and then a little bit of consolidation before we go up to $40,000. Yep, $40,000 to $41,000. That's where we are going, and it'll happen in a short period of time. Just like this, how we pumped here from. Imagine, take this. Percentage wise, look at that pump, right? 48%. So something like that from here. I would say from here another 35% would put us at 40,388. So I would say just say 38%. So $41,000, between 40,500 to 41,500. That's where I think Bitcoin's heading to, where we would have some sort of correction, like respectable correction. But it's going to happen fast. It's going to happen fast. Not many people will get a chance, because I see we had a phenomenal breakout. This was a very important level for Bitcoin to cross, and we did. And we did it convincingly. So I am very happy that Bitcoin has taken this path, and this path leads to $100,000, between $100,000 to $120,000 Bitcoin, like discussed in yesterday's stream, and that I expect it to happen fast. Look at this DGI. $75,000. Look at that. It goes actually above. This puts us somewhere in August for $75,000. We will see. By August, September, $75,000. Yeah. Take this above. Hardik, what's up, Shrey, brother? Good, man. How are you, Hardik? Shrey TV, baby. Yeah, man. How's everyone? Loving this pump. Loving this pump. But as I mentioned yesterday, altcoins are going to take a while to pump, because right now, say there's a limited amount of capital, and if the total market cap is going up, Bitcoin dominance will go up. I would say Bitcoin dominance to 56, 57. It's possible even 58% at some point in the cycle. So when the Bitcoin dominance goes up, what happens? Altcoins either stay flat, sideways, or go down. Okay? So I do not expect right now, until Bitcoin reaches at a respectable amount, for the dominance to switch to altcoins. Okay, so expect your altcoins to go sideways. Some altcoins, again, there will be rare altcoins which with Bitcoin will go up. Okay, they are rare. There are 5 or 6 rare altcoins which will go up right simultaneously with Bitcoin, but not majority altcoin. Majority altcoins will go sideways, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, and will test your patience. Yep. You have to see this magnificent ride of Bitcoin going up. You have to enjoy this joyride. When Bitcoin goes up, don't feel bad that your altcoin is not going up. It's good for the crypto market. Okay, good for the crypto market. Once the money goes into Bitcoin, price goes up, and then the market makers take the money out of Bitcoin. Now the retail money gets stuck in Bitcoin, and then the money rotates into altcoins, right? So people who's gonna FOMO when Bitcoin is going up, a lot of people will sell their altcoins, and oh my God, Bitcoin is going to $1 million. They're gonna FOMO. When they FOMO in, they will get stuck. And money rotates, right? And then the money will flow into altcoins. So you just have to have patience, right? You have to have patience for your coin. Your coin will pump. How much DGB is going? Well, few streams ago. Guys, make sure to hit that like. There's only 2 likes. Don't be lazy, man. Come on. It's 9 o'clock here in the United States. I could be watching some soap or some TV, and I'm here doing charts for you for free. Nobody has paid me so far. Right? At least I need a few likes here. Right? I understand it's a bear market, so I understand. I don't expect any donations. Majority of us are broke, right? But make sure to hit that like. If you can't do that, then there's no point of me giving you all this information for free. Okay, I'm nice, but not that nice, okay? Hey, Sang, how are you, brother? What is AGIX doing, mate? Great fan of yours. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I want to see these likes go up. There are a lot of people here. I want to equal likes right there. If you can, I'm gonna disappear just like a genie. Boom, gone. Okay. Because what happens, when you like the content, it goes. YouTube sends notification. A lot of time, not many people get notification of my YouTube videos because there are not many likes here. Because people keep on watching, just go and then go away. I don't need those kind of people, man. It's okay if you go away, if you unsubscribe, it's fine. I need loyal people. I believe I'm a very loyal person to my friends. So I need loyal people to my channel as well. So loyal people do that. As soon as you come to the channel, boom, hit that like. Okay. So let's see what is happening. CFX. What was the coin that you mentioned, brother? You buttered me. AGIX. You buttered me. Big fan. Oh, this is Singularity, bro. Singularity. I wouldn't get into Singularity till it comes back down. Tell you what price I'm expecting in Singularity. AGIX, this is where I would buy. AGIX is going to dump to this level. AGIX will dump and pump back up to this level and then dump. This is where I would buy AGIX. Even at this level right here, I would start buying AGIX, but I do expect AGIX to go even below this lower low. There's a strong possibility AGIX make a lower low below this 0.032 level. It might go a little bit lower than that, 0.030, or when that happens, somewhere in first quarter of 2024 or last quarter of 2023. Yeah, that's what I expect for Singularity. And this is when I'm gonna go all in Singularity. It'll be a good buy to get in somewhere here, start buying, because I'm not perfect, man. I could fuck up, but I think, it will come back to this region. From this region, I would start DCA from 0.06 to this level. 40% drop from there. Yeah, but that's what I would expect that AGIX would go. Yeah, I would think 0.031 would be the level for me, this region, this vicinity, where I would buy AGIX, and then I would expect it to go to this level right there, between $2 to $3 AGIX, $2 to $3 AGIX. Yeah, that's what I expect. $2 to $3. Yeah, I would even get out at 150. Yeah, if you get in here, imagine that is like a what, 100x or 50x? What is it? It's a 50x. At $2. Yeah, from here on, and that would be a top. That would be a top, I would think. $2. $2 depends when we reach. If it reaches, end of, $2 to $3. That would be my target for AGIX. But we have a long way to go for this to come back down. It's going to take a while for the price to come back down this low, but it will. We have a lot of time to waste, so it's not going anywhere. It's going to, do a round trip, total round trip, give out all the gains back. Yeah, man, all the signs are leading to that. Yep. Silent Doom, hi Shrey, nice to see Bitcoin getting its next leg up. Yeah, man, I'm excited. I am super excited. Super excited. It'll be fun to watch Bitcoin go up, man. I can't, I would love to see all those people, especially bears, their face, and just the disbelief. Your friends will start calling you and ask you, hey, what happened to Bitcoin? Hey, what happened? You watch. In a few months, by August, all your friends, any Joe Schmo that you know, because I know you are a crypto fanatic. If you are here on this channel, that means you are a crypto fanatic. And you are the boss in your group. Like, you are the guy. You're the crypto guy, right? So all your friends will start calling you. They'll be like, hey, what's happening, man? What's happening? Because then they know that you're making money. Yeah, that's what happens, man. Everybody salutes the rising star. The rising star. That's why they call you. That's why they call you. They'll start calling you. And when it goes down, they call you at that time too. When it goes really down, they call you to rub it off on you. Hey, what happened to Bitcoin, man? What happened to Bitcoin? Huh? They know. But just to rub it off on you, they will call you. Right. But it's part of the game. It's part of the game. So make sure when you think you're really happy and you want to show off your portfolio, take a screenshot of a portfolio and send it to your buddy. When you feel like that, that is the time to take profit. Remember this. Anytime you feel really proud of your portfolio, that, man, this is amazing. This is amazing. Wow, I'm such a genius. I'm the smartest guy. These fucking idiots. Everybody's an idiot. I'm the smartest guy. When you start getting this feeling, you take the money out. Simple. Take the money out. Don't listen to any YouTuber. No analyst. Nobody. It's an internal thing. When you feel like really happy and excited, about the thing, that's usually all human beings. I'm not any different, right? Majority of human beings feel sad when a certain event happens. Majority of us feel happy because we are like sheep. We've been taught when to get happy, when to get sad. So we are very predictable, right? That's why the market takes advantage of us. So yeah, whenever you feel really happy and proud, this is the time to take money out. You don't need to ask anyone, no YouTuber, no analyst, nothing. Just go with your emotion. Guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet, right? I'm some guy on the internet. Let us see. CFX. What is CFX? What the fuck is this? What? Why was I not part of this? What happened here? Just one green dildo? What happened here? Let's look at CFX. What is that? What kind of scam is CFX? What is it? So past 2 weeks, you're telling me this thing has pumped? This thing pumped. Bloody hell, 20x since the bottom. This was Jan. My god. You know what this feels like? Did it go 99% down? Let's see. Yeah, 99.82% down. 99.82% down. No, 98.82%. Let's look at CFX on something else. Maybe you find a better. $98.90. This looks like, to me, this looks like ICP. Very similar to ICP. And I've been telling people that this thing's gonna move. Look at this. You watch, ICP is going to move like this. If you missed out on this coin and you feel bad about it, that man, you missed out. This thing is reaching its top. It's right now it's at top. It's gonna come back down to this level. Okay, don't feel sorry for yourself. It's gonna come back down to this, at least this level right there, and then it'll go back up and make a new high. Okay, to $1. But yeah. Something like that. I don't know when exactly, but I think it'll come back down to this level. CFX. At some point, it's going to come back down to this level. It will. Look at that. All the signs, yeah, are telling me it will. But look at internet computer. I mentioned yesterday that we might get a breakout, and it is. This thing is ready, guys. Okay, this thing is ready. I think the next level up this thing is going is here. This is going to $40, man. 38 to $40. That's where it's going. $38, $40. That is ICP. Let's say 6x. If it hits $39, it's a 6x If it's 40 bucks, it's almost 7x. Okay? You heard it on Straight TV, baby. This looks just like CFX. Look at that. Look at that weekly. Let's look at this weekly, and let's look at Internet Computer weekly. Look at the consolidation. That's the level I'll be looking for. $45 to hit. If you missed out on that, don't miss out on this one. Very similar structure. Very similar structure. Look at that. Leads. All of them lead to the same path. Just like that. Internet Computer here leads us to the same path. What I'm talking about, 40 to between $40 to $45 Internet Computer. Man, it's going to happen. I'm telling you. You heard it on Straight TV, baby. This is identical setup like CFX. Look at that. Look at the setup, bro. Look at that. It's just, to me, it's identical. And we are going to hit this, $45 mark. Easy. And it's going to happen fast. See, this one took how many days to get there from the bottom? And we are not even bottom. From here onwards, it took how many days? So, Internet Computer right there. This is the level where came back down. Yeah, from here it just took how many days? Just 9 days for it to pump. Just 9 days it took to pump. Freaking hell, 6x, just 9 days, 6x. Guys, something like this happens in ICP, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if this thing, just goes crazy and goes up, okay? Yeah, that's what I think is going to happen to ICP, I feel. Yeah. ICP is looking good, Internet Computer. Barry Chakraborty, is Bitcoin going to 1 million this year? Shrey, no, not going to 1 million. We'll be lucky. 100 to 120 is possible. $100 to $120. I am very, how shall I say, man? I feel like I should, get into this. Just enjoy the ride. But the coins that I'm into, they are going to do well too. Whenever they will start pumping, but I feel this one will start pumping right now, so I could switch from this coin to another coin. But when this starts to pump, it's just a matter of time, man. It's just a matter of time. This thing will start. If it wastes another week or two, it's fine. It's possible it can waste another 2 weeks or 1 week. But when it starts going up, it's going to be fast. There will be green dildos, okay, like big ones. And within a matter of time, like you won't even realize that, hey man, this is just, went 6x, 7x in a matter of 30 days. Okay, 30 days. That's what's going to happen. A lot of people will be left behind. Straight, can you check spell token? I forget I have this back sometimes. Spell. Digibyte, I feel very bullish about Digibyte. In long run, Digibyte, $2 to $3. I know it sounds ridiculous, but that's where I feel it's going. Looks like this was the bottom, but this looks like Cardano, man. Look. To me, this looks like Cardano. You see it? This looks like Cardano, bro. Come on. Tell me. This looks like Cardano, bro. This is going to make you at least 40, 50x. 40, 50x. Easy, 40, 50x. Look at it. Just looks like Cardano, bro. Look at that. Similarity. So just like that Cardano, this could drag down here too. Okay, look at this. You have to be careful with this. Might go down one more time. This might go up like this, get you excited. And then boom, one more dip, and then it'll be ready. It'll be ready for a next leg up, like that. Boom, something like that. Okay, that's what I feel could happen to this coin. Looks very, very similar to Cardano, but we still have time, bro. That this thing is gonna waste time. Like this time we have to waste. Okay, so this time here, you will not see huge, you might see this dump, right? That is possible, but you will see that it'll waste time before it goes up. Okay, that's what I think. But looks very, very similar to Cardano's cycle. Look at Cardano. Wait, look at Cardano. Yeah, 7 cents. 7 cents possible. Between, I would say, 6 to 7 cents for this coin. 6 to 7. It's gonna take a while though. Spell token. 6 to 7 cents. It's going to waste time, as I mentioned. I wouldn't be surprised if spell token dumps, takes a dump like that. wouldn't be surprised. Goes up a little bit and then dumps like that before coming back up and waste that time, few months right here before starting to go up. Okay, so might have to have some patience with spell, but looks like it's going to do really well. Looks like it's going to do really well. Okay, I like the chart. You know, personally, I like the chart. It looks promising. Okay. Thank you as always. It does look like Cardano, and I didn't even realize this. I appreciate you, Shrey. Sure, brother. Anytime. Anyway, we could look at Unify Protocol. Thank you for all what you do. Bitcoin by John. Thanks for the $10, bro. Free. Thanks for the $5. I appreciate it, brother. But yeah, where was I? Unify. UNIFI. UNIFI. Different chart, bro. I'm glad that this came up above this line, so it has reclaimed this level, important level, that I don't think then it's going down. The thing that it reclaimed this level is very important. Which tells me that it's possible once it's done with the consolidation here, it decides to go up. Okay. I'll still consider this as a channel. This, so $38 would be a level where I would get really careful. 38.39, it wouldn't go just out like that, right? So how many days has it spent here? Let's see from the top. Altogether 800 days. So cryptos usually have this 1,000, 1,100 to 1,200 days of consolidation. If you look at the past few projects, they consolidate between 1,100 to 1,200 days. So, 1,100 to 1,200 days total cycle would put us, let's say 1,100 to 1,200. Would put us right somewhere in December, Jan. Right, this is when it would start exploding, I would think. Okay, there are some odd cryptos which start their cycle at 900 days, 1,000 days, but just because where we are, right? This triangle. As soon as this triangle ends, let's see weekly. I don't think it intends to go below this because we've been holding. We wouldn't have come up, gone down, and come up again above this level if it intends to go down. So I don't think it intends to go down like this. Okay, I could be wrong, but that's what I feel, that downwards target would be really low. These would be 68.50 cents if it decides to break this level, and this is where I will be going, right? because 618. But I feel it's already hit 618 right here, man. So yeah, I think it's done, man. It's not going down. It's not going down. I am leaning more towards the bullish side of this coin. Everything depends on how much is the market cap. Let's see the market cap of Unfi. Only 26 million. Okay. So yeah, the target would be $200. At least $200 whenever that happens. When exactly that's going to happen, I don't know, bro. But that would be my target. 618, $200 in a bull market. If we are able to hold this level and not go down, this channel, right? If you are able to hold this, not go below this level like this, then I would follow this arc, right? If you follow this arc, $200. So we have, I feel, this time to waste. So how it's going to waste, I don't know. How exactly, like this period, we need to waste, right? So it could possibly go up and, just do what XRP did or XLM did. It can, for months, it could just go fucking sideways like that, like this, go up and down, up and down, up and down, and then just go up, like that, consolidate, make another higher high, right? Like that, and consolidate and start its downward cycle, right? Let me show you, give you an example. XLM, they all do that sometimes, really boring cycle. Just go sideways for a long time. They get stuck, like in this zone, right? So Unfi, how long it'll get stuck in this, cannot say that, but it's possible. For a long time, it can, just bounce around until, the market is ready, like that, before it just, explodes. It's possible it may take this route, may not take this route, but what I'm trying to say is $200 would be the target for me, looking at this coin. Upwards target, $200. BTC broke. What do you mean, man? Oh boy, oh boy, $30,000. Yeah, man. Bitcoin. Right on live on Straight TV, baby. 30K Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you $30,000 Bitcoin. Amazing. Yeah, $32,000 is my target for Bitcoin. I don't think it's going to stop until $32,000. Yeah, it'll we have room for Bitcoin to go up, and then it'll consolidate for a few days. Nothing crazy, not crazy dump. You'll have 5 to 8% dump, and then it'll go back up to $40,000. And all this is going to happen fast. People will be surprised with the economy, this and that, all the bad news, war. Why the fuck is Bitcoin going up? Right? That's what crypto and the markets are about. Yep. People cannot fathom. I was like, what is happening? Why is it going up? Imagine, just you don't have to think about anything else. Think about in past 200 years, if money came into existence, paper money came into existence in past 200 years, whatever supply of money that we have been printing, we printed the same supply of money in only year and a half. How unprecedented this is, people don't understand. Forget about World War I, World War II, any sort of natural disasters. You combine everything and put everything together. What happened in 2020 and the result after that, what they're doing right now, and they're constantly printing, right? They raise the interest rate up, but they cannot raise more than this, maybe a little bit, right? And they're going to start, there are only two ways they can handle the economy: by printing the money or by lowering the interest rate. They rose the interest rate up because, they don't want to go negative. So they, interest rate up because they could lower them down later, because United States wants to still have this power. Europe, Japan, all these people have interest rate at zero, right? So they have been going negative interest rate in their banks. So United States raised the rate interest up so that, other countries are being destroyed. The worst place I feel in the world, when where shit hits the fan. This will be still better country. It won't be good. But it'll still be better than everywhere else, because I feel the dollar right now, everyone's saying, oh man, the dollar is going to go down, this, that. Yeah, I've been saying that. Dollar is going to go down. Dollar is going to go down to between 85 to 83 until 2026. But after that, dollar rallies. I would not be in crypto, nothing. I'll be out of everything. What I'll be in will be in dollars, right? At that time, it'll be what you have to make a decision, right? That if you want to put your money in the bank, if you want to keep obviously your money in dollars, then you have to keep your money in the bank. But there at that time, there's a huge possibility that many banks will go out of business, so your money could disappear. So where do you put your money, right? If you put your money in crypto will go down. If you put your money in gold, silver, everything's going to go down after 2026 until 2032. That's what I think. The biggest crash would come. So where would you put your money? Right. So I think the safe bet for me would be real estate. Because real estate can maximum get cut in half. Right. So I'm okay with half. If you have, they say, property worth, say, $3 million and goes to $1.5 million, it's fine. But imagine crypto goes to zero, right? Goes to zero. So I don't want to be any part of crypto when I get out. I feel after 2026, between 2026 to 2030 or 2032, I don't know when the bottom hits. The bottom will be, I think, between 2030 or 2031. But it'll be really bad. I think bad things are going to happen in between. It starts somewhere in 2026. It's gradual initially, and it goes crazy after 2028 as we come closer to this 2030 date. Okay, and I think the bottom would hit somewhere in 2031 or 2032. Yeah, man. Agenda 2030. Right. I don't know if this stream will get blocked or something, but it's possible. I don't say these things out loud, but World Economic Forum, they have this Agenda 2030. All the charts and everything else aligns to that. The charts are saying that the dollar is going to go down. Long time ago, I mentioned DXY is going to go down. I'm bearish for DXY until 2026, but I'm very bullish for DXY after that. Dollar is going to do really well after that. It's going to skyrocket. Dollar is going to go probably to 100, 120. That'll be the time, to be in dollars. But I'm trying to see what will be the safe bet to be in a dollar. Either get treasuries or what? How do you protect yourself? I don't see anywhere else except, I think buying treasuries. If I want to stay liquid, right, then buying treasuries would be the way to go, because I'm lending money to United States government, and the government can print money. The government won't let the treasuries, I'm lending money, to the bank. I don't care about what interest rate I get. It's fine. I just want to ride this wave, and I want to have cash. I want to have cash when, market's at the bottom to, buy the blood. But in between, I don't want my money to disappear, because if I keep it in the banks, I think many banks are going to disappear. They will protect the banks. They say if they print right now, but it's not going to last. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a dam, right? Holding a dam with putting, plastic Band-Aids, right? When this dam explodes, everything's going to be destroyed, right? This is where they implement the CBDC, because a lot of people's money will be in the bank and the bank goes out of business, right? So this is when they will say, hey, man, we will not help the banks, because bankers are the criminal ones, right? We will not help the bankers now, but you poor guy, your money, is it gone? I'll give you your 50% of your money back. Okay, so you won't get it 100%, but you will get your 50% money back, but in the form of digital currency, right? We will give you a CBDC, a digital dollar that is programmable, that you need to spend in a certain way, and we can keep track on you. So yeah, but I'm gonna buy a little bit of land, a little bit of treasuries. That's what I intend to do. But I'll give a full-fledged plan in the Patreon later on, when the time comes. But I do believe, and I have trust in the U.S. government and the U.S. treasuries, because at that time, this is where I'll be buying, because I believe gold, silver, everything, crypto, stocks, everything will go to dumpster after 2025, 2026, I think. Yeah, and anywhere 2025, 2026, cashing out would be a good idea. Okay, guys, I've said a lot. Okay, what time is it? It's been almost an hour that I've been here, right? 52 minutes. I will take off. Okay, good stream today. I will see you. I'm gonna watch some movies right now on Netflix. I have, by the way, if you are new and if you don't know, there are a lot of people who don't know this stuff exists. It's called IPTV. You can buy this device and pay about $150. You can buy this device from Canada, and you can watch everything, all the movies that are on Netflix, any series or anything that you want to watch. Just get that device and pay $150 a year, and you don't need to get HBO, nothing. Everything is out there. Okay. So yeah, I do have Netflix at Amazon, but it's no need. You don't need to have it if you have this box. And the print is pretty good. It's in HD. All right. Okay, I'll take off. All right. You have a good night, guys. Later.